This might not seem like a lot. There are a lot of backpacks, but sometimes I think we can overthink of what we can do to show kindness, and sometimes a backpack is enough for someone. We might not think of a backpack as life-changing, but when someone knows that you're thinking about them and packing a backpack with things, friendship bracelets, that personal touch can really make a difference in someone's life. So thank you so much. If you don't know about the Mustard Seed, we are a nonprofit organization here in Calgary. We started in 1984, and we started with one man named Pat Nixon. Pat, when he was around 13, was experiencing homelessness in the downtown area. And one day, a group of people from a local church called First Baptist Church downtown, they saw Pat, and instead of walking to the other side of the street, instead of ignoring him, they took him out for lunch that day. They had conversation with him and just got to really know him, know his story, where he came from. And through having conversation with him, they really felt the need to invite him into their home. They gave him a place to stay. That might seem a little wild today, that they would invite a complete stranger to their home, but they really felt in that moment to be kind and generous to this man. A lot happened after that moment, but it was that one moment that changed Pat's life. Similar, I think, to giving a backpack to someone. One act of kindness has the potential to change someone's life.